Hello. Yesterday we did 4 letters. Now we're going to do the rest. No, that's wrong. Yesterday we learned the first 6 letters of the alphabet. Now we're going to add 6 more. Here we go. A, astronaut. B, oh, good job. Baby. C, cactus. Good job. A lot of you are remembering from yesterday. D, dinosaur. Is that a dinosaur? Nope, that's a dolphin. Let's do that again. D, dolphin. Does dinosaur start with D? Yes, but we're going to do the dolphin because there's a picture of a dolphin. E, escalator. And I saw those smiles. Good job. F, fountain. Good job. This is a G and this is a goose. G, goose. Put your arms out. Goose. G, g. And you're taking it from your stomach. You're taking it and going g, g. G, g, goose. Very good. I even saw your stomach go in and out. Good job. H, helicopter. And you're just taking the air from your body out. Do it with me. Good job. I, see my face? Like sticky garbage. Watch. Now you do it. Now let's do the motion. Good job. I, igloo. Good job. J, jaguar. And you're going to scratch just like the jaguar does. J. Let's do it. J, jaguar. Good job. K, kangaroo. And see this kangaroo? It's hugging the bamboo. So we're going to hug. Watch. K, kangaroo. Do it with me. K, kangaroo. Good job. L, look at my tongue. Right behind those 2 teeth right there. L, lemon. Squeeze your lemon. Good job. Now we are ready to figure out the rhyming words. Remember, the ending has to be the same. Okay, listen. Duck, truck. Put your arms out with me. Duck, truck. Let's do that again. Duck, truck. What do you hear at the end? I heard uck too. Good job. All right, hands behind your ears. We're ready for the next one. Pink, drink. You do it with me. Pink, drink. Let's try it again. Think about what's at the end of the words. Pink, drink. It's ink. Very good. Put your hand on your back. Say, I'm doing so good. Yes, you're doing great. Okay, here we go. Hands behind your ears. Hot top. Think about the ending. Hot top. Up. You're right. Good job. Here's another one. Hands behind your ears. Flat hat. You do it with me. Flat hat. What did you hear at the end? Flat hat. It was at. Good job. You're doing great. Next one. Mean queen. Think about the ending sound. Do it with me. Mean queen. Een. Good job. Go like this, right over your mouth. Your mask is on there. Do it right over your mouth. Good job, brain. Awesome. Next one. Hands behind your ears. Okay, you're ready. Low, slow. Looking at the ending sound. Let's do it together. Low, slow. Oh, is at the end. You're right. Good job. Next word. School, rule. Do it with me. Looking for the ending sound. School, rule. Ooh, is at the end. Does school have rules? Yes, they do. Next one. Hands behind your ears. Crazy, daisy. Do it with me. Crazy, daisy. Daisy's at the end. That was really a hard one. You did a great job. Put your hand on your back. Say, I'm doing so good. Oh, yes, you are. Next words. Hands behind your ears. Blue, glue. Do it with me. Blue, glue. Blue. That was a hard one. Let's see. Did we get that right? Blue, glue. Blue. Ah, you did such a great job. Last two. Sick, chick. Do it with me. We're looking at the ending sound. Sick, chick. Ick. Very good. Great job. All right, now we're going to look at the beginning sound, just the beginning sound. So I'm going to say the word, then you get to say the word, and then you say the very beginning sound. So you need to have your arm up like this for the beginning sound so we know what we're looking for. Okay, we're ready. Sit. What's the word? Sit. Good job. What's the beginning sound? S. Good job. Okay, let's do the next one. Nice. We're looking for the beginning sound. Nice. It's the beginning sound. Good job. Next word. Pup. Beginning sound. Pup. Say it with me. Pup. P is the beginning sound. Wow, you're doing a great job. Next word. Hands behind your ears. Run. What's the word? Run. Is that first beginning sound? Run. Is the beginning sound. Good job. Next word. Top. Say it with me. Top. T is the beginning sound. Wow, you're doing this so good. Put your hand on your back. I'm doing so good. Good job. Next word. Quick. Say it with me. Quick. Is at the beginning. Good job. Next word. Zoo. Say it with me. Zoo. Z is at the beginning. Good job. Next word. Hands behind your ears. Fan. Say it with me. Fan. F is at the beginning. Good job. Next word. Hands behind your ears. Wish. What's the word? Wish. What's the beginning sound? Woo is at the beginning. Good job. Next word. Last one. Yes. What's the word? Yes. What's the beginning sound? Yeah. Good job. Now I'm going to share two words and you're going to put them together. Okay, those compound words. All right, I'm going to say it and you get to say it together. You're going to put your hands like this. I get to do this part and you get to do this. Show me. Good job. Okay, here we are. Listen. Birthday. Birthday. I know someone's birthday is coming up in this class. Yes, I'll be ready for it. Next word, hand behind your ears. Cardboard. Cardboard, you're right. Good job. When you get a box from Amazon, it is cardboard. Good job. Okay, next word. Haircut. Haircut. Good job. If you've ever gotten your hair cut, put your finger on your nose. Good job. Okay, put your hands behind your ears. Pancake. Pancake. If you've ever had a pancake, put your hands on your head. Good job. All right, we're ready for the next word. Washboard. Room. Washroom. Do you wash in your washroom? You wash your hands in the washroom. Good job. Next word. Bathtub. Bathtub. If you've ever been in your bathtub, put your finger on your chin. Good job. All right. Thank you so much for listening today.